Little girl, your parents and teachers say not to beg. Eh? You're not supposed to beg. Not because you know me. You understand what I say?
That's not important right now. Come on, something bad. You give me the money or not?
Dirty girl. One of girl, they be so kind of back there. Yeah, where I call dirty girl. When I tell me to take me a friend. But not if you know say I take me man. Come on the road, because I want to carry me and my big gut.
Mom, I not take your man. How me would I know say you and the boy there?
You know, ask him question.
He said I have no woman.
So I'm not too argue with you. You know why I'm not argue with you?
Me think me and you are the friend, but you turn out to be a backstabber.
How be a backstabber, girl? You pay me 5 bills, go help a beat girl over my man. My man, you pay me 5 bills, go help girl.
How me if you know say you're a man?
Mama.
How me if you know say you're a man? That me want to know.
I tell you say any day name I lose this belly, yeah. All I did, me I come for the whole of when the baby born.
Well, guess what?
Me I come for everyone.
Something you need to know. Well, maybe me I breathe too.
Yeah man, going to the most I give thanks to God for the program. The movie part 3, Sunday. Look out for it, you know, Sunday morning early, about 11 o'clock, look out for it. Alright? Part 3, 15 and pregnant. Let's go.
I want to know. You must say me I talk to you a while now, maybe. So I want to know how much I really love you.
Well, when I say, when I saw 80% out of 100.
Yes, because them front swell up. Action!
Hey, you love share me. You love share me, Bob. So come on over home now. Go carry me home if you hurt me, make it feel good. Carry me home. Push blood. Push the Oh, me want to go home. Hey, if you're going to me away.
Alright, just wait for me. Go. Yeah.
Get back home. Me not come back.